Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to change your email ID on Instagram from PC. So you can go any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, then search the type the word instagram.com. You can see this URL. Also come here, then you have to log in your account, then you'll see the interface like this. Then you can see the right bottom corner on your screen, it's called more. Simply click on the more and then click the settings. Then you can see personal details, click here and again click the personal details, and you can see personal details and contact info, the first one, simply click here. Then you can see I have already two contact info, one email and one my contact number. So if you want to change the email, then click here add new contact and add email. Then you have to type your emails. For example, I'm type randomly gmail.com, and you have to mark here. Then you can see adding this email will replace your current, so you will not able to connect two numbers in the same time. Then you have to continue next, then you will get the verification code or not, then your email ID will be changed. So okay friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching the video. See you the next